Ghosting is defined as abruptly cutting all contact and communication with someone without any apparent justification or warning, as well as ignoring the other person's attempts to reach out or communicate. Ghosting is something very common when it comes to relationships. And when you're dealing with a narcissist, ghosting is how they discard you. If you've been on the receiving end, you'll know how painful and confusing it can be. Being abandoned can lead to feelings of low self worth, of low self esteem, anxiety, depression, self blame, and feeling less, feeling not good enough. It's a very painful space to be in. It can also lead to feelings of mistrust in future relationships, and it brings about an insecurity to even get into relationships, including concerns about the possibility of being abandoned. Most of the times, the fear of being abandoned that somehow is created, is registered in the subconscious mind in childhood is resurfaced when people ghost people. Yet, nothing happens for a reason. Let's understand why people ghost. As everything has reasons, ghosting also is usually to avoid having difficult conversations rather than having that difficult conversation, which might somewhere lead to a solution. People give more weightage to their fears and their ego and not make the difficult conversations. People also ghost to avoid hurting or disappointing the other person. There could be positive reasons also that people ghost people because they feel that rather than telling the truth about either dumping a person or not wanting to continue or just about any other truthful feedback, they'd rather keep shut and just simply walk away from a person's life. They also ghost to protect their emotional or physical safety. Sometimes it's not safe to be in a person's space or to keep in touch or to receive or entertain any kind of contact. So people do that. People ghost. People also ghost to avoid confirming their own internal feelings. When we do not want to deal with something which begins from the source, that's us, we use the zone of escaping. There are neurodiverse conditions affecting empathy, that is also a cause of ghosting. People with avoidant attachment styles and who self-sabotage themselves also use ghosting as a tool, sometimes consciously, yet most of the times unconsciously, to get away given their basic nature and their basic human need when it comes to relationships. I can understand how it feels. Yet it is about understanding a particular action, a particular reaction, a particular reason for why people ghost, and getting in terms with why you have been ghosted. And also when you understand why are you ghosting people, given the reasons shared in this video, I'm sure you would like to work on this particular choice that you make of ghosting people. It's not good to ghost people. It's not good to be on the receiving end. Communication is the key. Choose communication. Focus on solutions. Focus on what can be rather than what if, rather than what can go wrong. Choose to focus on what could go right. This is Dr. Ramandeep Kaur, and I'm looking forward for the next video. Stay connected, keep in touch. Remember, you got you and you're so very good enough. I believe in you. You deserve, and I love you just the way you are.